Hey guys, this is Garrett here with a new JavaScript bookmarklet that allows you to click on it and then adjust the speed and pitch. So you can change the pitch right here. Or you can change the speed. So there's half speed, there's full speed, and I change the pitch. Now you'll notice that when you change the speed, the pitch stays constant. But when you change the pitch, the speed changes along with the pitch just a little bit. And that's just a limitation of the JavaScript plugin itself, which is propagated from a limitation of the HTML5 media element, which this JavaScript bookmarklet is using. The HTML5 media element has a JavaScript API, and this control uses that API. Now, it would be nice if we could be able to change the pitch a little bit, maybe bring this tune up to E instead of E from E flat, and then slow it down, but it's just a limitation, and you're just going to have to deal with it. So that's what it is. You can complain to the standards bodies if you don't like it. They're sort of like the government in a way that if you get enough people complaining, then they're gonna do something, or if you get somebody with a whole lot of money, they're gonna do something. However, we're a few musicians without a whole lot of money. The chances of them, trying to create this, make this a little bit better. Well, you can always try. I tried. I presented my ideas, and they didn't seem interested. But maybe if somebody else tries, they'll like somebody else better than they like me. But enough of that. Let's get on to how to use this thing. First of all, there's tons of different ways to use this, and you can use it for number one, figuring out what is being played, and that you can slow it down. You can see, like, right in the beginning here, if I slow this thing way down, I can see exactly what's being played. I can make it bigger. And so then I can figure out exactly how he's playing it. And then another thing that I like to do with this is to use it as a trainer, so that I can bring something up to speed. So if I've got something that's too hard and I can't play it up to speed, first thing I have to do is learn it, and then for that I'll slow it down, try to pick it out by ear, watch what's going on. Okay, then I figured out what's going on. Now I have to be able to play it, and so then I can play along with the recording, and eventually hopefully I'll be able to get it all the way up to full speed and play it just right along with the recording. And that can be a great way to not only improve your performance, but it's also a whole lot of fun to be able to play along with an actual recording, because you get the whole band sound right there. You're not just practicing the guitar in isolation, and it's a lot more fun. And sometimes it can be really almost exciting just to have that whole band sound. It feels like you're part of the band. So that's how I like to use it. Now the next thing you need to know is, how do you get this thing? You can go to this URL that I'm going to put in the footer, and you want to scroll all the way down past the readable version. This is with all the white space. This is the code that I wrote, and you can look at that if you want to see what that does. And then you can go down to the bottom and try to select all of this, or you just click on raw and wait till that loads, and then select all and copy. Very important to copy all of the code, because if you do that, it's not going to work. Okay, so then the next thing you need to do after you copy all of the code is, I'm going to delete this one right here, is go new bookmark, and that's right within your bookmarks toolbar here, toolbars, bookmarks toolbar right here, new bookmark, and just put like pitch and speed, and then you paste that location right in there, and then there it is right there. So now I just created a second one, and I don't need two of them. So if I want to get this one, and then click on that, and then it pops in, and then I can use it. If you like this, then I'm not asking any money at all. I have no ads on my channel. I'm just asking that you click on the subscribe button and the thumbs up button too. If you have any questions about how to use it, I will answer all questions about how to use this JavaScript bookmarklet, including technical questions about the code itself, or anything that might be related to how to use it, how to put it in your web browser, or problems that you may encounter, such as errors or issues with the player itself. Because basically we're hacking the browser. We're making the browser do something that the web page author was not anticipating. So anytime you start messing around with stuff like that, you can sometimes it's not going to work exactly. You're adding something to the page that wasn't originally intended to be there. So sometimes the player will stop working and you'll have to reload the page, and that's not a whole big deal. But if it happens, or if you get any other issues, then just put it in the comments below, or I suppose you could leave it as a comment on the GitHub. However, I respond to the comments on YouTube a lot quicker. So I'm more of a YouTuber than a JavaScript programmer. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video.